I celebrate women globally, all women, including myself and the millions of African women who struggle every day to provide for their children. I have been through many ups and downs, but that didn't stop me from pursuing my career and taking care of my family. I'm truly grateful to live in a time when a young African woman has the opportunity to succeed on her own merits. The Digital Ronin Apprentice program has taught me how to use technology to leverage the power of the internet. The program has changed my mindset towards using social media to sustain myself and my family, allowing me to survive independently. I can now sit at a table with men and discuss technology. Woohoo! Isn't that amazing? I learned how to love myself for all that I am. Gain strength that will be there to keep my family going even when life is difficult. I have learnt such strength cannot come from outside you. It can only come from within. These words may sound like they're straight out of a self-help book, but trust in your ability. Trust in your faith. Focus only on the future you want to see and what you can control, and speak less of the hardships you endure. It will save you a lot of pain in the years down the road. Learn to embrace yourself and all the parts of what makes you, you. You may have a body with scars, and someone might have said something negative about the way you look. It does not mean you're not beautiful just as you are, your brain, body, and every part of you. Remember, the pain of heartbreak is a learning experience, not the end of your world. There is always another day, a better thought you can reach for, such as the joy of reaching your dreams. If there's a day, a week, or a month when it feels like you just don't fit in and nothing is going right, know that you are not alone in the world and stay on your path. The world needs the resilience of African women, their commitment to their children, the persistence and grit they show every day as they raise their sons and daughters. On this day that celebrates the contributions of women to the world, rejoice in the opportunities technology can bring us. African women can be proud knowing our contribution to the world has only just begun.